Hi, welcome back to SETC. Today we have 4 Disney Princess surprise cups to open. So let's start with our Elsa cup. Ooh, we find a Cinderella figure. Oh, how beautiful is Cinderella! Inside our cup we find a Star Monsters blind bag. So here we have our 2 stickers and our Star Monsters. And we also find a Disney Princess fashions. Cool. Let's see who we get. And we found Snow White. Whoa, she's so pretty. Next we have a Princess Aurora cup. And here we find Princess Tiana. We also find a Littlest Pet Shop blind bag. And in here we find this absolutely beautiful butterfly. Oh, she's even wearing a little tiara. And she comes with an adorable little flower bed. How cute is that? Oh. And we also find a Disney capsule. So let's see who's inside. Oh, cool! In here we find Elsa. Do you like Frozen? Give us a big thumbs up if you do. Next we have our Snow White cup. And in here we find the beautiful Belle. We also find a Zelf's blind bag. Awesome! Let's see who we find inside. Ooh! And we find the pearlescent Mermaid. Just look at all that blue hair. Awesome! We also find a Season 4 Shopkins basket. Cool! Let's see which 2 Shopkins we have in here. So we have Big Toppin, who is an adorable petkin. And we also have the super cute Jules. And finally we have our Ariel cup. In here we find the adorable Rapunzel. Just look at all of her super long hair. We also find a frozen surprise egg. And in here we find an Elsa figure. And our final surprise is a My Little Pony Wave 15 blind bag. Awesome! Let's see which pony we have inside. And we find Rainbow Dash. She helps her friends. She is super cute. Look at that glitter in her mane. Do you like Rainbow Dash? Give us a big thumbs up if you do. And there we have all of our surprises out of our Disney Princess surprise cups. Give us a big thumbs up if you like this video and pop a comment below letting us know which of these surprises was your favourite today. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all of our new videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon.